Kwikset SmartKey SC1 Rekeying. Key compatibility check. Insert your new SC1 key into the lock. If it fully inserts, your new key is SmartKey compatible. Make sure the new key is fully inserted. The edge of the key should touch the cylinder face. Remove your new key. Make sure the lock is in the locked position. Insert the key that currently operates your lock. Rotate the current key 90 degrees counterclockwise. Insert the SmartKey tool fully and firmly into the SmartKey hole. Remove the SmartKey tool. Remove the current key without rotating it. Insert the new key. Make sure your key is fully inserted. The edge of the key should touch the cylinder face. Rotate the new key 180 degrees clockwise. Avoid pushing it in or pulling counterclockwise. Rotate the new key 90 degrees counterclockwise. Remove your new key. Insert the old key that previously operated the lock and test it to make sure it no longer operates. If the old key still operates the lock, call Kwikset Consumer Service at 1-800-327-5625. Congratulations! You've just rekeyed your Kwikset SC1 SmartKey Security cylinder.